Your home looks clean, but hidden germs are everywhere. What you see is clean. What you don't see could make you sick. Welcome to Suckline Camp. Today, we're exposing the truth most people ignore. Your kitchen sponge, door handles, phone, bed are germ hotspots you touch every day. Cleaning removes dirt, but it doesn't always kill germs. Your home may look neat, but still be unsafe. Disinfect regularly, focus on high-touch areas, and deep clean your home often.
Professional cleaning services go deeper, use stronger disinfectants, reach hidden areas, and ensure your home is truly hygienic. At Suckline Camp Cleaning Services, we don't just clean, we sanitize and protect your space. So next time your home looks clean, ask yourself, is it truly germ-free? Contact us for your healthier, safer home today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert cleaning tips.